Your PLC has the data. Your team doesn't. Temperatures, pressures, motor states, tank levels. All sitting on a controller nobody can see unless they walk to the panel. Here's how to get live PLC data into a dashboard you can open in any browser. No expensive SCADA server. Nothing to install. Let me show you step by step. This is web-based SCADA. Instead of a Windows server running in a control room, the whole system runs in the cloud and you view it in a browser. It speaks Modbus TCP natively, so any Modbus device, a PLC, an energy meter, a remote I/O module connects directly. For steps, point it at your PLC, map your registers, build a dashboard, and add alarms. Let's do each one. Step 1. Connect to your PLC. Add a new device, choose Modbus TCP, and enter the controller's IP address and port. For most Modbus devices, that's port 502. Set the unit ID, usually 1, and hit connect. The status turns green. You are now talking to your PLC over the network. No drivers, no OPC server in the middle. Step 2. Map your tags. Your PLC exposes values as registers. Holding registers for read and write values. Input registers for read-only sensors. Coils and discrete inputs for on-off states. Add a tag, point it at the register address, pick the data type, and give it a friendly name like Tank 1 level. Add scaling if the raw value needs converting to real units. Each tag now updates live. Step 3. Build the dashboard. Drag a gauge onto the canvas and bind it to your tank level tag. Drop a numeric display for temperature, a trend chart for pressure, an on-off indicator for a pump. Arrange them the way an operator thinks. This is your live plant view, and it updates in real time as the PLC values change. Step 4. Alarms and history. Set a threshold on any tag. If tank level goes above 90%, or a temperature crosses a limit, the system raises an alarm and can notify your team. Every tag is also logged to a historian, so you get trend charts going back days or weeks. That's how you catch a problem before it becomes downtime. Because it runs in the cloud, you are not tied to the control room. Open the same dashboard from your phone at home or from another site entirely. Managing more than one plant. Bring every location into one screen. Serial-only devices, Modbus RTU, connect through a small edge connector that bridges them to the cloud. Compared to traditional SCADA, there's no Windows server to maintain, no per-client license, and no six-figure ignition or wonderware quote. It also speaks OPC UA and MQTT natively, so it fits alongside the systems you already run. You get real industrial monitoring without the industrial price tag. That's the whole flow. Connect your PLC, map your tags, build a dashboard, add alarms. Go to scada.modbussimulator.com and start a free trial. Connect your first Modbus device today and watch your plant data show up live in the browser. Link is in the description.